My name is Antoine Delperro.
And my name is Edouard Delperro, and we surf for the team of France.
We are two brothers. Actually, we are super lucky to be qualified for the French team this year and support the French team in the ISA World Longboard Championships. We support each other a lot. We always watch the heat of the other one, but once we are in the water against each other, normally we fight.
My brother has always been like an inspiration and somebody I wanted to surf against, so because it's like allowing me to just push my surfing to the highest level I can be.
Definitely gonna try to win this event, rather me or him. It's all about the French team too, so we really want to go far to probably get the team medal. And if we can win an individual medal, it'll be even better.